Sean Diddy Combs is facing new rape allegations from 3 more men. In a new civil lawsuit filed in New York, the men say Diddy sexually assaulted them between 2019 and 2022. One of the men says he worked for Combs and claims his former boss raped him at a hotel. Diddy's attorneys say his team will prove the allegations are false and seek sanctions against the lawyer who filed the claims. ABC News legal contributor Brian Buckmire joins me now for more on all that. So, Brian, what do you make of these new allegations and the response from Diddy's lawyer?
So, Dan, I think at this point we are neither shocked nor surprised. These allegations flow in the same direction as we've seen from previous lawsuits, this time being 3 men, one of which worked for Sean Combs at a period of time. And the reason why I say neither shocked nor surprised is because I think most of these defense attorneys, or sorry, these plaintiffs' attorneys, both in New York and Houston, are finding a common theme and trying to drive home the idea that Sean Combs allegedly gives drugs to individuals who then rape them. And so they're trying to create an MO here to prove their case.
Brian, could this civil suit impact any of the other civil suits against Diddy or the federal criminal case against him?
So the other civil suits only in the sense of they just keep piling on top of each other, and if Sean Combs decides to try to resolve one, he may have to try to resolve many of them. But in terms of the criminal charge, I do think there's a possibility of them being involved in one shape or form, either as other bad actors or as a part of the conspiracy overall, or there is a potential for them to be federal charges in of themselves because, as you pointed out, these allegations stem from 2019 to 2022, where the statute of limitations would still well be within any state or federal charges.
Meanwhile, a federal judge decided to let Combs access to a laptop loaded with all the evidence related to his criminal sex trafficking case. What do you make of that decision, and how can they ensure that that's all he's using this laptop for, given he's already faced allegations of interfering with witnesses?
Yeah, so it's kind of common. It doesn't surprise me too much. A defendant, regardless of the allegations, should have the ability to participate in their defense, and that in part means reviewing the evidence, speaking with their attorneys, saying, hey, I wasn't here at this time, I have evidence to show you that this is wrong or this isn't articulated the right way. And what they're trying to do is walk that tightrope of ensuring that he has that right to do that without witness tampering. I think what we've seen is that they said he can only use a laptop between specific hours of 8:30 and 3:30 p.m. and during specific times in which he is either interacting with his attorney or during meetings so they can collaborate on that defense. I don't believe the laptop's going to have internet access, so he can't go Googling things or messaging people. It's supposed to be just a bare-bone laptop with only the discovery loaded onto it.
ABC News legal contributor Brian Buckmire, thank you.